Ka MLA Congress ke kong amperin lingdo kalaong. Bakat ke kerdan jong menteri rangba udang tuklar ya ke kamying jong keseng Congress. Ke kong amperin kalaong. Bahakas nem arjar kat nyau. Hapadeng ke jingmi jong ibabun kit kot keseng. Ke Congress kadang job hadu arp huwei ki Assembly Constituency.
A way out to pin each other up, pin each other down. So it is fine to say that our house is not in order because there have been some discussions about members planning to leave. However, politics is very flexible. You will not imagine how flexible this politics is because politicians have to survive. Now, for the NPP to accuse us of being a divided house is an expected comment to be made from the topmost person in their party with the elections of 2023 just round the bend. We will watch and see how many NPP members now move from left to right, right to left in the political arena. It is very simple to speak that we are a divided house, but time will tell. We in the party had to revamp party organization ahead of the elections, and this attempt to revamp our party might have brought in some friction, but that friction has not ended yet. Like every other political party, we have these in-house difficulties, which I'm sure the NPP is not void of. So with 2023 coming very quickly, we shall see whether it is only the Congress or every other party that is divided. Because ambitions of party men and women cannot be controlled by a party. When ambition establishes that an individual cannot be second in command or cannot be given a ticket from a party, obviously they will go and look for better pastures. And the democratic framework of our country allows it. The point is that post 2023, what are your numbers? How many will you bring? We should not forget, despite the fact that there was a mass exodus of some of our main leaders from the Congress party in 2017, we emerged with 21 members. 21 members. We were the single largest democratic party elected to office to the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. What happened? You yourselves, the public know. And we are fortunate that there are some binding laws that have been amended over years to ensure that elected members do not act as independent players in the horse trading that is usually a common phenomenon post elections. So that will remain binding for any member till his term completes. Some will go, some will come. Fewer members went to NPP, other members came to the Congress. So we will see where that takes us, and we will not say that all other parties do not have a divided house, because all other parties in the state of Meghalaya have the same issue, the same problem. It is something which is peculiar to the state of Meghalaya, because Meghalaya is usually a political conglomeration of leaders who win on their own personality rather than on the symbol of the party that they have chosen to fight an election. So, in this peculiar nature, we will work hard as a party to ensure that our members remain within the fold, and we will prepare ourselves for the worst scenario so that our numbers don't get affected.